Okay, so we just finished up our Detail Czar certified licensee training program with our student Chase White, that's in from Suffolk, Virginia, and he did an awesome job, just an unbelievable job all 3 days. So, what do you think? I mean, coming into it, you had some experience, but just overall, what do you think of the program and the great training that you got from Pierce?
It was good. Pierce was great. You were great, Nick.
Thank you.
It was fantastic. Learned a lot about business and how to run a business properly. The detail side. I own my own business now, but not a detail business. Starting to get into it. Got a little bit of experience, but it was good. The paint correction was fantastic.
Ceramic coatings.
Ceramic coating. Did some windshield coating and all kinds of different stuff on the exterior of the car. Learned some new processes on the interior.
So you're more confident now
Yeah,
than you were coming in.
100%. 100%. It was definitely money well spent, and just being able to solidify some of the things that I've thought I did good. Maybe
Sure.
learn some different tips and tricks to make them to be more efficient.
To be
and
more
work
efficient, and you
better.
think you'll be able to make some good money in this
Yeah,
business?
yeah, absolutely, 100%.
Absolutely. Well, we really
Much as
appreciate
I
it.
want to make,
Yeah,
hopefully.
yeah, one of our better students.
I
Yeah,
appreciate
really
that.
picked things up. That was awesome. And
Yeah.
would you refer others if I send them over to you?
Yeah, absolutely.
As long as they're not in your area, right?
Yeah, that's right. As long as they're not within 30 miles of me. No, absolutely, for
Yeah,
sure.
I appreciate it, man.
You can get as much or as little as you want out of it. Come in with an open mind and be willing to learn. And yeah, for sure.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Did a great
thank you.
job.
Absolutely.
Thank you.